Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. Student, in question number 4 we are given a function y equal to tangent x and we have to find its range where the domain is given from 0 to 90. So if we draw at 0 function is 0 and at 90 function is undefined. So let's say this is 90 degree, this is theta, this is y, at 0 function is 0 and at 90 function is going to infinity, positive infinity. So the range of y is 0 included and infinity. Okay, 0 included and infinity open. For this function we can write when x3 y is 3, this one, and for the large value of x function is gonna be positive. So the square root of x has like this one, so you have like this one graph. Understand? So but from here you can see algebraically we can analysis the range of the given function at 3y is 3, which is the smallest one, and when you increase the value of x it will be positive and we have value more than 3, so means 3 will be the least value. As x goes to infinity, y also goes to infinity. This is the range of function. But if we choose a function, let's say square root of x and x be any real number, so the domain is not good, because if x is greater than equal to 0 means we can have a definite value of y, but when x is less than 0, so it means value of square root negative will be the imaginary, and we are talking about in a real, so we cannot assume this one. So this range is not good. This is a good domain, and for every x there is a unique y, it exists. So the range of y is also 0 to infinity, the same. So I hope so you have enjoyed this lecture, but if you have any problem related to any of the function type, you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Allah Hafiz.